Hey, I love those pants. Just as beautiful as this rose, so you are. Okay, at this moment I'm tired. I've been making ridiculously stupid videos. Let's get serious. Oh my god, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Black Friday o'clock from SHEIN, and I'm here again with my honest reviews about the things that I got. So if it's your first time here, hello, my name is Tammy and I make fashion, lifestyle, travel and beauty content. So please do go to subscribe to my channel if you think that those things you would like to see and more juicy content. So please do go to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you very much. And what's up guys, it's Black Friday, and you know what comes with Black Friday? It's the ridiculously cheap prices and price slashes. I've intentionally not got things from SHEIN for a long while, and this time around I couldn't resist the temptation because the prices were absolutely ridiculous. And then I got some of these few stuffs and I thought to share with you guys how I think or feel about them. So guys, let's get into the real video. Thank you. So yes, this is our first SHEIN Haul review. It's a top. I don't know. I think I like the top here. I really do like the top. It fits really nice on my body. Nice color, nice material. It's really good. But I've got issues with these feathers. Like this feather looks like very tacky. It looks like a witch hair. Like it doesn't look nice. It looks so unkept. And I was expecting some very nice natural proper feathers, you know, but this doesn't really look nice. It looks like some very tangled synthetic hair that's it's just really not giving. But yeah, overall I think it's nice. Maybe I can comb it or give it some treatment, you know, maybe the hair will come back alive, but it's not really nice. It looks like something you use for all this carnival and Halloween, you know, kind of feathers. Yeah, but aside that, I think the top is nice. It's a long sleeve top and I like how it fits on my body. I'm going to be rocking it, as you know. I'm not going to return it. Yeah, but overall I'm going to give it a 7/10. Yeah. Okay, so guys, the next whole review is this shoes I got. Oh my god, let's open it so you see. I'm not scuffing, guys. I spoke the zipper. My goodness, guys, I don't know, but I got those shoes for I think €8, and they are so beautiful. Look at how it came properly neatly wrapped. I love those shoes. They are comfortable. I love the color. I love this can you say this thing on top of it, the accessory on top of it. The heels are really comfortable. They don't look fake or ras or tacky. I feel like the heels look so comfortable and look so classy. I really love it. Maybe it's the color, but I don't know. There's just something about these heels that I cannot get over with, and it's so comfortable. Like I don't like high-heeled shoes, and so the heels is just absolutely okay for me. I love those shoes. Oh, like when I saw it, I'm like, oh my god, this is really worth more than the money. I got it for €8. €8, guys. Like let me lower my voice. So but I think it's sold out, or maybe the price is higher now. I don't know, but this shoe gave it. It ate and left no crumbles, guys. So my next haul, guys, it's a jean. It's a denim jean. You all know I'm a freaking lover of denim. I don't know why I got this jeans, let's be honest. I don't know why, but like it's winter here, and I know that I don't really have so many jeans that are not crazy, like they don't have cuts and all of that. So I wanted a proper human beings jean. Like I think it's like a baggy jean, but for some reasons I think it's a little bit long. Maybe I should have sized down. I have a problem when it's not in small, it's 38, so I think I should have picked a 36. Yeah, but overall the jean is nice. I like it. It's just a bit too long for me, but besides that, I really love the jean. Like the quality is really good. I really love the quality of the jeans I get from SHEIN. I think that their jean quality is absolutely really amazing, and I guess the jean was for maybe €8. I'm not sure. I'm going to be putting the price by this side. So yeah, but this jean is really lovely. I like it. There's nothing special or spectacular about it, but I like it. And that's on period. Thank you, guys. Our next haul is this beautiful corset top. I think I like it. Like, this corset top has been in my it has been in my cart for like a while, and I was just looking at it there like, I'm not buying you unless your price drops. And yes, Black Friday came and the magic happened. I think I like the top. I think it's nice. You can either make it off shoulder or make it normal. I like it, but it's not really corsetting. Yeah, it's just like they just give you lines, so there's really nothing corsetting about it. And then yeah, it's actually a bodysuit, so it's really nice. I like the color. I think it's not bad. Sha, I'll rate it a 9/10. I think I like it. 9/10. So guys, I've always wanted a denim shoe, like heels, slippers, whatever. And so Black Friday gave me my dream, made my dream come true, literally. Don't mind me, I'm just being big. I got those denim heels from SHEIN, and I think that it is wonderful. Like, it's giving Zara. I love this denim heels. Can you see it? I love this denim heels a little too much. The heels absolutely gorgeous. I think I like this accessory, this ankle bracelet attached to it. It makes the shoe really beautiful and classy. Like, it makes it really just ordinary denim heels too, like just making me bringing attention to the shoes, you know. Like, if there was nothing here, the shoe would have just gone beside not being noticed. But like, this accessory brings like the notice me, I'm here now, can't you see me? That's what this accessory, this ankle bracelet is doing to these shoes. I love it. It's giving Zara. The quality superb. I love it. Shoes head. Okay guys, this next top, I don't know how I feel about it actually. I don't know. I think I'm not feeling the quality, or maybe it wasn't what I expected. I actually like the fit on my body, to be honest. I wasn't expecting a crop top, I was expecting a proper top. I love this old ruffle thing, you know, this thing is giving bourgeois, it's giving class. But I don't know, I think I have a problem with this part, or maybe it's just the material in general. There's nothing really to say about this top. I think it's just really basic and it was cheap. Yeah, so I think it was like €5 or something. I'm going to be rating it a 7/10. Yeah. You all know that I'm a sucker for label materials. I like named markers, I like expensive labels. But this is what you call the perfect deep from Van Cleef. I would name this one Thames Clef. Thames Clef from SHEIN Clef. You know what I'm saying? I like this. It's a set actually. It's like a bracelet and a neck piece. I think it was for €3 or €2 or something. I really like the bracelet. I love it, and then I love the necklace also. This is called Thames Clef, and that's a period. Argue with your what? Argue with your keypad, because I absolutely love this piece of accessory. Thank you very much for coming to Thames Clef official launch from SHEIN Clef. I'm silly. Okay guys, like, this was actually a great buy. I think I really like it. I don't know if it's going to like the color is going to change later, probably, yeah, but for now I'm still feeling it and I really do like it. You know, now I can't just buy one denim and I will close the deal. It's not possible, because there were so many nice denim on sales. I was actually very confused on what to buy, because I didn't want to buy so many denim. But this one, to be honest, I don't know why I bought it though. I need help. It's supposed to be like it's not come with baggy with the pockets flaps. Yeah, I wanted all this baggy, you know, that's what is trending now, the trousers with the plenty pockets and all of that. So I wanted something of such, yeah. But I don't know, number one, I was not expecting this thing. I think there's a problem with the kind of accessories that SHEIN is applying or putting on some of these tops and outfits, that it's bringing the quality down. This is absolutely ras. Like, I hone it with my full chest. This is really ras. I think it's creepy. I might cut it off. I kind of like the G, but I might just pull out this thing. I don't know, it's giving low class. It's not giving. It might just be my personal opinion. Other people might like it, but I don't know. It's giving what's this thing called? It's giving a cotton. It's just ras. It's not my thing. I don't know. It's too shimmery. I don't know if you know what that is. Yeah. But I really don't like this. I think this is the only thing I don't like about the jean. You know, the material is nice. I think it fits well on my body also, and I'll give it an 8 over 10. A good 8 over 10. Guys, so I got 3 shoes. My bad. I don't know, but I got 3 shoes. They were all very cheap. I could not resist. I wanted, okay, to be honest, the only reason I got this shoe is because I wanted a shoe in this color. I wanted a wine shoe. I don't know if I really like the shoes, but I just like the color, and that was it for me. So this is the shoes. I think it's nice. Yeah, I like the bow thing. The heels, not bad. I don't like leather shoes. I don't know why. They look very basic to me, so I avoid leather if there is nothing spectacular about you. I'm not really a big fan of leather shoes. You are either glossy or you are giving me something that is beyond your leather. If you know what I mean, I'm not really a fan of plain leather shoes. But yeah, these shoes, I got it. It was very cheap, and so I bought it. And yeah, I think it's nice. It's not so high, but it's high small shot for me. For other people, it might not be high. I think the quality is nice. I showed a friend, and it was really like, this shoe looks really classy. So for that, my friend to say this shoe is classy or looks classy, I think it's 8, because that film casting. Yeah, but I think that this shoe is really good, and it was a good buy. It was a good buy from my side. So a 9 over 10. So yeah, this is a melting spray for your lace wig. I got it for my lace wig. I used it while I was about to film to see how good it is, so I can talk about it. I honestly think I don't know how to use it yet. I think that it was good, to be honest. I think it was good, except for the fact that I already had like glue that I was supposed to remove from my lace wig, and I also think that this frontal is not like the best. I got it from AliExpress, so the lace did not really melt. But yeah, it was good, and it's not giving that tacky thing that the normal glue would give. So I think it's nice. If you have a lace wig, is it lace wig they call it? Now, if you have a frontal wig that you want to melt, I think this is a good buy. It was not actually on sales, but I got it because I think I needed it, and I wanted to try, like, to see the effect of what it would compare to using the normal glue that becomes tacky, you know. But I think that it was actually, I think it's good. I'll rate it 7 over 10. I'm still a beginner. Over time, I'm very sure I'll get a hangover of it. And yeah, it smells nice too, by the way. It really smells good. It doesn't have any harsh smell. The instruction or the direction says remove all residues from dirt around your hairline, spray thin layers above hairline, wait until melted spray becomes tacky or dry. So I think I did not wait. Then I'm supposed to tie down for 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, I didn't do that also, so I guess that was why. But yeah, I think I would give them an 8 over 10. Moving on real quickly is, of course, it's winter time, but the question is, can these pop socks actually take the cold? I just got this pop socks because I like it. Because of what? Because of the stones that it's on it. Aside that, there's nothing special about it. It's got holes in it, and you might probably have to still wear something in that if you're gonna wear this, or you're gonna wear it on maybe when it's not really cold. But yeah, aside that, I really do like it. I think it's nice, and it's a one size fits all. Everyone can get this, and it was also on sales. So yeah, overall 10 over 10, to be honest. Let's just dash it. Hey. I love this pants. I've always longed for this pants so long, because I see it on a lot of Nigerian celebrities. They wear it. Even my auntie got one for her birthday shoot, and I really liked it, and I've always wanted this pants. And the funny thing is that Shein had always had it, but they had it for the extra large. So when I saw it on sales and I saw it in small, not extra large, I didn't even wait. I just put it in my cart. I checked out because I don't want to hear "Sokwe low." You know, that means it has gone or it is sold out. So I needed to, you know, make A1 sunshine. And trust me, this pants is giving Malewo. It's giving I'm a rich auntie. It's giving I have money. Can't you see it? Like, can you see the details? Oh my god, the material is beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to see me by the other side when I'm wearing it. It adds and left no crumble. This is a comfortable, this is a 10 over 10. Comfortable, I'm not even thinking about it. This is a 10 over 10. I think it's sold out, or Yeah, I think it's sold out, or maybe they have it in another color or something. But watch out for it. You can search for it. You can take this picture, search for it, because this pants, if you like it, man, don't sleep on it, because I feel like there are 1,000,001 of us actually waiting to have this kind of pants. I can't wait to rock this pants, trust me. I'm just waiting for that day that God will do something marvelous in my life. And I'm gonna say, praise the Lord in this beautiful pants. I really do love it. Like, I love it. And I got it in a small, so you should size down as usual on Shein. And yes, this will be the end of my Black Friday Shein. Oh no, I have one bonus for you. Wait, let's pause. Yeah, so I got this one. I got this sweatshirt from Shein. It was also on sales. I like it. I think there's nothing pretty much about it. The material is not bad. I think it's good. I'll give it a comfortable 9 over 10. I like it. I like the love thing in front of it. But yeah, 9 over 10. So finally, guys, we are done. If you're still watching me up till now, you know what to do, right? Okay, let me first tell you thank you for watching up till now. It's been a ride with you guys. Thank you so very much for watching this video up till now. Please do go to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please put on the notification button so you get notified every time I post. And to all my very violent, like, I see you all my returning viewers, my returning subscribers, like, from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you to you guys. You guys are really amazing. You guys are the reason why I'm not frustrated yet on this YouTube journey. Like, for every time you show up and you comment, I see your name. I can't be mentioning names, right? But I see you guys. Thank you. Even some guys are so amazing. They're always looking out for me, telling me how to be better. You know, thank you so very much. I see you. And even to the people that actually view this with their children, like, you guys are so amazing. Like, I was in my church and like some little kids were talking to me about how much they watch my videos, and they were asking me questions. Like, I knew I had to do better because a lot of people were actually watching, and that for me was really amazing. So thank you to everybody that keeps sharing, that keeps viewing my videos. Thank you so very much. Let's build a community of love. God bless you. And don't forget, again, Jesus loves you. Like I would always say, God is in the journey with you. God is with you every point of your story. And don't forget to love him as much as he loves you. I love you also. Thank you very much for viewing once again. Till the next time, we'll see you on my next video. My name still remains Tammy, Fashion and Lifestyle by Tammy. Bye, guys.